Welcome to Kodie TV, and I am Lina, giving you the news headlines you might have missed. MPP big shots, grab monthly cars, then cash. Bank charges 5% on forest tradings. Anti-Galamsey fight gets major boost from Gold Board. 200 cases under probe in oral crackdown, 80 grilled, prosecutions underway as more dockets move to court. Gold Board supports fight against illegal mining with major donations. Mayhem at Hameli as Burkina Bay forces arrest Ghanaians. Gold Board fuels Galamsey fight with 5 million 5 pickups. 48,000 Benin residents want to return home. NABNO takes steps to ensure safety. Government unveils 13.9 billion. Animal farm, judge grants Abrome 50,000 bail. Asantehene funeral rites. Asantehene's mother's funeral rites starts. Land garden rampage attacks residents. Estate development at New East Legon. Mahama lists 23 achievements in 8 months. A state of emergency in Galamsey fight could have serious consequences about the Tameklo states. Herb Goldfields at Rwanda rescued Bogosu Christian mine from collapse from management. Gold Board fortifies fight against Galamsey, donates cash, vehicles to task force. MPP says to tread cautiously. EU timber trade boost. FLEGT household experts begin October 8. Ada East Assembly, police in trouble over demolition of private property. Battle DCE says property on Ramsey sites. Be careful with conduct. MPP wants as it set up committee to monitor aspirants ahead of 2026 primaries. A GADM repeats or reset, lest we forget. Ahafo Southwest DCE urges supportive environment for worker success. Break WAEC monopoly over exams to create a fairer, more competitive system group. Ghana records 6.2 trade billion surplus. Retiring slowly, Techiman knows on Galamsey distractions. This is Kodie TV, and I am Lina. Thanks for watching.